Hello, my dear students. This video I am making for you to upload your recordings and other activity documents. Okay, as I am getting the problems of the student that they are not able to upload their recordings and their maps in Google Map. So for that actually I have made a kind of Google Sheet for you. What you need to do now, you need to record your voice. Okay, as I can record from here. Okay, you go to recorder. Okay, record your voice, and then you will have this kind of recordings. Okay, so just imagine that you want to save one of recording. Okay, you have to save that recording in my drive, Google Drive. So for that, what you need to do, like your recording is here. Okay, no problem. Then you need to go to Google Drive. Okay, like this you will go to Google Drive. You will open this. Okay, like one of my account is opened here. So and you want to secure your all files somewhere. So what you need to do, you need to click on this. Okay, you need to click on this plus mark. When you will click on this plus mark, one folder option will be here. So you can you can make this folder name like activities. Okay, social activities. And just I'm giving you can put your all documents, all the recording, everything here. Social activity, then create. Okay, now you can see that your folder is being created here. You can see here easily, social activities. So now you will open this. Okay, now it is opened. Now what you need to do, okay, again you will go on this plus mark, and this Google mark. You will go again, click on this, then some options will be here. So many options like making new folder. Okay, upload the file, scan Google Sheet or Google Documents, and like this. So what you need to do now, we need to upload our any activity here. So you will click on this upload. When you will go on this, so you will see that you will see that your mobile or your SD card, you can see mobile and SD card, or you can go to the file manager. If picture is there, so you can go to the picture. If you no, recorder पे नहीं जाना है अभी. Okay, if you want to go to the audios, so you can go to the audios, because now recording you want to send. So because your recording will be saved, you can give a name to that recording, and you can save that recording in audio. Already we can say by default it will be saved here in audio. If any picture, video, okay, like this you can go to the different topics. So now we will go to the audio. As I click on the audio, so you can see that many audios are here now, है ना. So many audios are here. So if I want to click any audio, if I want to upload this video there, ठीक है. So we can upload, like I want to upload this one, ठीक है. This song I want to upload, you can see, ठीक है. I'll click on this. So now your one file is being uploaded. So waiting for Wi-Fi, because if you are not using Wi-Fi, so you will, and you are using your mobile data as I am using right now, you need to click on this upload option. If you will click on this upload option, then it will start uploading. So it means your recording is being uploaded in your okay, in your drive. ठीक है, it will upload. If till then I will tell you that how to upload other activities also. है ना. So again go to the upload. ठीक है. And now you want to select any picture. ठीक है. If you want to select any picture, so you can go to here. So I will show you WhatsApp. Like if your picture is there in WhatsApp, so you can go and you want to save this first. You want to upload this first picture. So you can see this option also came here. ठीक है. Now you can again go to this upload mark and you can click on this. It will again started uploading. Okay, and now it is uploaded in your my drive. Okay, now what to do now next? Now you need to click on here in these three dots. You can watch this video because I will share in YouTube, I think. ठीक है, you can watch it again and again. Now what you need to do, again I'm telling, go to, now you want to share this audio with me. Okay, so now what you will do, you will firstly go to the details and activity. Detail and activity. Why I'm telling you this, because it will help you in future also. Detail and activity, when you will go here, when you will open this, so this kind of paper page will be opened. So now next you need to go to here, who has access, by who can open this. So you can go here, you can see it is restricted. It is restricted right now, but what we need to do, we need to share it with your teacher. You need to share it with me. So how you can share, then you can go here, click on change. ठीक है. When you will click on change, so this kind of a page will open. So when you will click on this, so now you can see anyone with this link, anyone with this link, you can click on this. Okay, now viewer, only viewer, not change this, not commentator, not editor, not commentator, not editor, only viewer. Viewer, it will be by default. Okay, for commentator and editor you need to do something, है ना, you need to check them, but here only we need viewer, because I only want to view and I want to listen only. Okay, so it will become viewer, then you will go back, back, back. Okay, और थोड़ा back जाएंगे. Okay, now again you will go on this and copy this link. Again I am telling you. Okay, you will go here. Okay, again you will go on this copy link. Okay, आप जाएंगे इस पे and then you will click on this. It will be copied itself. Okay, by default. Now what you need to do, you need to come out. Now no need to be here. Then what I will do, I will send you a Google Sheet. I will send you a Google Sheet with you. Okay, I will send that Google Sheet with you. And what you need to do, you need not to do anything too much. You need to only that, ये अभी आपने कॉपी किया है ना, you need to paste that link into if I can show you camera, I'm not able to do that. Yes, I'll be okay, like this you can see here. If I can clean this, yes. So like your name is here, है ना, like Astin, है ना. So what is her topic? Okay, and you have copied na. Now you need to only paste. So as you will paste here, your link of that my drive will be pasted here. Only you need to do the same. Okay, for history map you need to write here ki history map. Okay, ठीक है, yes. And again you will do this process with your map picture also, and you will get the same link, मतलब it mean different link in the same way, and you will paste here. ठीक है, आई होप यू आर गेटिंग इट. ठीक है, आप ये समझ रहे होंगे जहाँ तक मुझे लगता है. ओके, सो नाउ व्हाट वी नीड टू डू, यू नीड टू पेस्ट देयर इट अगेन. ठीक है, उसको आपको क्या करना है, ओनली you need to paste. I would like to show you that how it will be pasted. Then any sheet I will open here. Okay, like this monthly activities I have opened. ठीक है, so ठीक है, just I had copied ना, so now if I'll click here, so no option is here for this. Okay, no problem. Okay, but for you it will come. Okay, आप वहाँ पे क्या कर सकेंगे, then you can paste there very easily. ठीक है, so like this all the activities will be completed. Okay, if you are not able to upload there in Google form, no problem, you can upload like this here. ठीक है, I hope you have understood. If you have any problem, you can ask me in comment box. ठीक है, I am uploading this on YouTube. Thank you.